Hello and welcome to Able Jam TV. Here we give you the best entertainment content like never before. Kindly feel free to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get all our content.
Give you a brief of what we've done today. Today we've managed to do 10 postmortems. We had initial challenges because we had to set up an X-ray. We decided that we have to do X-ray on bodies of everyone for the purpose of age estimation. Remember, many of those were children. We needed to know their ages, so that's why we took some time, and we only managed to do 10 postmortems. Of these 10 postmortems, the one body was of an adult female, and the rest were children. These children's ages were varying from 1.5 years to 10 years. Generally, most of them had features of starvation. We saw features of people who have not eaten. There was no food in the stomach. The layer of fat was very small. The liver was fatty. These are things we look for in people with starvation. Two of them had what we call cyanosis. Cyanosis is a bluish discoloration of fingernails. And by inference, we will be able to say that cyanosis was caused by maybe asphyxiation at some time. So those are the autopsies we've done. We have taken samples for further tests, which include toxicology and DNA for the purpose of identification. Tomorrow we are going to start the other process, which we know that will be more seamless because already the X-ray is